Hello students, let's move for the second main in the exercise 10.1. So in this they are asked us the represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. What the situations that has given that want to represent in the form of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation form means x square plus bx plus c, to that form. Let's read the sum. First one, the area of a rectangular plat 528 meter square. The length of the plat is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plat. Okay, area of the rectangular plat as given, that is the 528 meter square. The length of the plat has given, it is one more than the twice of its breadth. Okay, length is twice to the breadth. Did you understand? Length breadth gina ಎರಡರಷ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, one more than twice of its breadth. ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎರಡರಷ್ಟಿದೆ. We need to find the length and breadth. If you represent that situation in a up to this situation in a quadratic equation form, I mean x square plus bx plus c form, then we can find easily the length and breadth of the plat. Not required to find the length and breadth of the plat here. Just want to represent the following in a equation form, I mean ax square plus bx plus c. Let us take here, let the breadth be, breadth of the plat be, let the breadth be x meter, and length what has become, that has given a condition. Understand the condition, then it is easy. Plat is one more than in the sense for this more 1, okay, x plus 1 more, twice of its breadth in the sense 2x. okay, this is the twice of its breadth. For this one more, so this is the length, okay, x meter it is, and this will become a 2x plus 1 meter, because length and the breadth always measured by the unit meter. Then with the area has given here, we know the area of the rectangular plot now, so that's why we want to take area of rectangular plat. So if it is in a rectangle, so that formula we know, that is equal to the L into B, that equal to how much they has given, 528 meter square area has given. So L is your, substitute that L is the 2x plus 1. L is, that is the 2x plus 1, and breadth we took as x into, so that equal to 528. So if you multiply the 2x plus 1 by x into 2x is 2x square plus x into 1 is x, equal to 528. So if you are taken a 528 to the LHS, it will become 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Okay, this is the required form of equation. So now we represent this in the form of, it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c. So this, by using this equation we can find the length, and if we solve that equation we can find the length and breadth of the rectangular plat. That's all the representation they are asking, so we are represented that. Let's move for the second one. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, first we want to mention this in a represent form. By that equation form, by that representation we can find out the integers. So let us take that the consecutive integers in the sense next one. What should be there? I mean, if the 1 is there, that next is 2. Okay, 1 will be added, no? So next number only it's called as the consecutive. Keep in mind. Okay, so let the positive, all are in a positive, let the positive integer be x. We don't know. Let the positive integer integer bx, take it as x. The second integer 1 always will be added no for the consecutive. Okay, if you have taken 3 also 2 plus 1, if you have taken 4 also 3 plus 1, like that will be added. So next the second integer, because 2 only they are asking, second integer, second consecutive in the sense next only, not the third one or fourth one. Okay, consecutive integer will become what? X plus 1. Okay, so always 1 should be added. Second consecutive integer is x plus 1 then. Okay, so then has given product of these two is 306, product of these two integers, product of integers, that means first one is x into x plus 1 equal to the 306. They only has provided product of two integers. Yes, multiply that, x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x, and so this equal to the 306. So if you have taken that 306 to the LHS, it will become minus 306 equal to 0. So this is the required equations. Okay, so that should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, nothing but it is in the form of quadratic equation. Yes, let us move for the third one. Let's read the sum. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. After 3 years, the product of their ages will be the 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Okay, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan ಗಿನ್ನ 26 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು. After 3 years, 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ the product of their ages will be 360. 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಏಜ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ ಏಜ್ಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 360 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Okay, we want to find the Rohan's present age. So we don't know the Rohan's present age. So let's Rohan's present age. Rohan's present age is x years, or b x years. Let us take Rohan's present age b x years. So we have to take that. And his mother age by the time, his mother age, what will become? 26 years older than the for him. So ಅವರಿಗಿನ್ನ ಇವನಿಗಿನ್ನ 26 ವರ್ಷ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು. Okay, we want to add for this 26, x plus 26, it will become 26 years, because according to the condition her mother age is 26 years older than him. So that's why it will become the x plus 26 years. Okay, then after 3 years what happened? According to condition, after 3 years the product of their ages will be the 360. Okay, 3 years after, in the sense Rohan's age after 3 years it will become x plus 3, and mother age will become x plus 26 plus 3, I mean x plus 29, right? 3 years want to add extra for both. Okay, so after 3 years Rohan age is Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years. Okay, then his mother age 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರೋಹನ್ ಏಜು 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮದರ್ ಏಜ್ಗೂ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ x plus 26 plus 3, that means equal to x plus 29 years. X plus 29 it is. Note down this, or else you have to write down here x plus 29 years. Okay, mother age. Now according to condition the product of their age will be 360. Product of their age in the sense we have to after 3 years we have to take that product. That means product of their age. So what happened? Product of their age. So that will become product of their age, in the sense we have to multiply both, I mean x plus 3 and x plus 29. Let's multiply x plus 3 then x plus 29 equal to how much they has given product of their age according to condition, that is the 360. So if we are multiplying this, let's multiply this. If we are multiply the second term by the x, that is x plus 29, and second term by the 3, that is x plus 29, equal to 360. X into x is x square plus 29 into x is 29x plus 3 into x is 3x plus 29 into 3. So we will get 29 into 3, that is 273. 3 nines are sorry, not 2, sorry, 1 minute. 29 into 3 is I think 3 nines are 87. 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 87. 87 equal to 360. Okay. So let us do next step. X square, 29 plus 3 will become 32. 32x plus 87, and this 360, if it is shift to the LHS, it will become minus 360 equal to 0. X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 become minus 273 equal to 0. So this is the required representation. Okay, what they are asking. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the fourth one in this, and it is the last one also, in the second main. In the second main, let's read the sum first. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay, so try to understand this. A train travel a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So 480 km ಅಲ್ಲಿ travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈನು. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, 8 km speed ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. ಅದು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ it would have take extra 3 hours, more 3 hours, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. We need to find the train, okay, speed of the train. So if we are representing that equations in the quadratic form, then we can calculate the speed of the train. So let us do that. A train travel a distance of 480. So we have to take, let the speed of train that has not given, let the speed of train, we can take speed of train is be x kilometer per hour, because here kilometer has given, no? So for that stake we have to take x kilometer per hour. Then speed as provided, okay, and it want to cover the 480 kilometers distance, that is the speed formula we know. So in physics, speed equals d divided by t. D by t, d means distance and t means time taken. So that formula we know, speed equals time. So the time taken to cover a distance of 480 kilometer will be, so this, if you are going to substitute that, speed is x here and d will become, the distance is 480 divided by time we don't know, right, as it is. So what happened for the time? So t equal to, here So t into x, if we can cross multiply, it will become tx equal to 480, then 480, then time equal to 480 divided by x. Find. Okay, so now we have the time taken to cover the 480 kilometers is 480 by x, right? Okay, the time taken to cover 480 kilometer is 480 by x hours. Okay, HR it is hours. Yes, to cover 480 kilometer, the time taken by the train is 480 by x, and here it will be less, I mean speed will be less, that is the 8 kilometer. So if the speed is reduced, or less speed is reduced by 8 kilometer per hour, then the new speed is will become what? This particular speed is x, so the new speed will become x minus 8 kilometer per hour. So this is the new speed if it is reduced, I mean the speed is reduced, so it will become x minus 8 kilometer hour. Then the time as usual, then the time taken will be ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು. Time taken is 480. In the place of x we can substitute x minus 8 kilo hour. Okay, so to cover 480 it took 480 by x. If it is reduced, speed is reduced, so it will take 480 divided by x minus 8 hours. Okay, 480 divided by x minus 8 hours it can take. So next we have to calculate that according to the condition it has taken 3 hours, right? Okay, so then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. To cover the same distance it has taken 3 hours. So same distance in the sense, first less it has taken, no? First will be 480 x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x equal to how much it has taken? 3 hours. 3 hours less it has taken total to cover the same distance. So we can write this is the time taken for the, if the speed is reduced, and this is the time taken for the actual speed. So it will reduce for what the time has taken equal to that. If it is reduced, that is the 3 hours. So if you are taken LCM x minus 8 in the denominator, x minus 8 cancel, remaining x. 480 into x will become 480x minus x get cancelled, remaining is x minus 8. 480 into x minus 8 it will become. Okay, that equal to the 3. So next, so if we are doing a cross multiplication here, so it will become into 1. That means as usual 480x minus 480 into x is 480x, minus into minus is plus. 480 into 8 is 8 zeros are 0, 8 8s are 64, 6 carry, 8 4s are 32, plus 6 is 38. Okay, minus into minus plus 380. So equal to, if we do the cross multiplication here also, we can get 3 into x is 3x into x minus 8. Okay, so next we have to do the next step. My plus 480xe minus 480xe will get cancelled. It will become 3840, I mean 3840, that equal to the, so let's multiply by 3x both. So 3x into x is 3x square minus 8 3s are 24x. 8 3s are 24x. So if you are taken to one side, it will become 3x square minus 24x, and plus 3840 will become a minus. If it is shift to the RHS, will become minus 3, and 3840 equal to 0. So this is the required representations of the quadratic equation form. Okay, hope you will understand this. Conditions are very important and you have to try to understand that. Thank you.